Liv Makina's most advanced solution, the H Multiaxis CNC tube bending machine. With all axes powered by servo motors and an intelligent control system fully compatible with SolidWorks, it delivers zero error and perfect alignment. Specially developed to tackle complex jobs requiring 7 or more axes, our machine also features Mandrel-less operation capability. The ability to bend in both right and left directions eliminates the risk of the tube colliding with the machine body. Thanks to its bidirectional rolling function, even the most challenging bends become effortless. With its collision detection software, you can simulate and preview the bending process directly on screen before execution, saving valuable time while allowing you to bend even the most complex shapes quickly and safely. Speed up your workflow, eliminate errors, and stay ahead of the competition with H. Liv Makina, the unbending power of Türkiye.